Hi, Jerry Street, MarineMax Sail and Ski. We're at the helm of the 400 SLX. What you've got is dual Simrads. They can be used in tandem, which is shown here, or you can use one for GPS chart plotting and one for engine diagnostics, RPMs, so forth. You've also got digital controls. You've also got Axis joystick system, which makes this boat so easy to dock, a 7-year-old could do it. You've also got Simrad Skyhook, which allows you to maintain your GPS position. You've got automatic trim tabs, so as you cruise, should the boat decide you need your listing to one side or the other, it will automatically adjust. Just to kind of sum it up, this 2024 Sea Ray 400 SLX is loaded with technology, comfortability, performance. It's a very versatile boat. If you'd like to learn more about this boat or any other boat we have in inventory, please contact me at jerry.street@marinemax.com. Thank you again for watching.